eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here with another chapter, lesson number 4, class 10 maths, quadratic equation. This chapter is super easy. If you have seen polynomials and linear equations, obviously this will be more easier. So without any wastage of time, let's get on to the video. So let's start. The topics we are going to cover from this chapter: introduction, quadratic equation, how to solve it by factorization method, nature of roots. And there is some surprise element at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So let us know what's a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a and b and c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. Here we have an example. 2x squared plus x minus 300 is a quadratic equation because the power in this equation is 2. Yes, it's a quadratic equation. Similarly, 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 3x squared plus 2 is equal to 0. And so on. These all are quadratic equation. In fact, any equation in the form p of x is equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2, is a quadratic equation. But when we write in terms of p of x in descending order, they decrease when we get the standard form of the equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and a not equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. So, know the formula ax squared plus bx plus c. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. In general, a near number is called root of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c, and a is not equal to 0. If a squared plus b of x plus c is equal to 0, then we can say x is equal to a is the solution of the quadratic equation, and the quadratic guts of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c are the same. This chapter is really small because most of the topics are deleted for your exams. Next we go to the last topic of your chapter, nature of roots. Here ax squared plus bx is equal to 0, and you have to remember this equation. Okay, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Here this equation is really important, and these all are the explanation. Here they have said that since b squared minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, it has the real roots. So b squared minus 4ac is the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Now know these 3 points, okay? 2 distinct zeros, b squared minus 4ac less than 0. 2 equal roots is b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. No real roots is b squared minus 4z greater than 0. So main basis of this chapter should be that you all need to know this equation right here. It's important. Here I have given a question related to nature of roots. Find the discriminant of the equation 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0 and find the nature of roots. Find them if they are real. So this is really easy. So here we can take a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus, please don't miss the minus sign over here, and c is equal to 1 by 3. By using the formula b squared minus 4ac, we will get it's equal to 0. So hence we'll get that it has 2 equal roots. There are more questions here. So these questions are related to the previous topics. Represent the following equation mathematically. Okay. John and Giovanni together have 44 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they have now is 124. We would like to find out how many of these marbles they have to start with. Okay. So let's see. Let's take the number of marbles of John had will be x, and number of marbles Jivanti had is 45 minus x. And the number of marbles left with John, because he has already lost 5, so x minus 5. And for Jivanti, then she also lost 5 marbles, 45 minus x minus 5. So 45 minus 5, 40. So we'll get 40 minus x. Now put all this equation together. X minus 5 multiplied by 40 minus x, we will get 40x minus x square minus 200 plus 5x. This is not in a standard way, we have to arrange them. So we will get minus x square plus 45 minus 200. By putting all the values, we will get x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. So number of marbles that John had satisfies this equation, that x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. Now this is the question. Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 by factorization method. Okay, let's split the middle term. Here 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So we got the product as 6 and the sum is minus 5. So think when we'll get the product as 6, but we also need minus 5x. So we'll take minus 2 and minus 3. So we'll write 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 1. So by taking 2x as common, we'll get x minus 1 and minus 3 as common, x minus 1. So we have got the values as x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 1. So 1 and 3 by 2 are the roots of 2x square minus 5x plus 3. There is a word problem here. In the following situation possible, if so, determine the percentage. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20. Okay, years. 4 years ago, the product of the ages in years was 48. Okay, so let's see. We'll take age of one friend as x years, then the age of other one will be 20 minus x. 4 years ago, x minus 4, and for the second friend 20 minus x minus 4, so 16 minus x. So by putting it together, x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. We will get x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. By using b square minus 4ac, we can find this answer really quick. So here we will be getting no real solution for the equation. One more question here. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth. Okay. Here let's take the breadth of the mango tree as L and the length of the mango grove will be 2L. We'll take the area 2L into L is equal to L square. So 2L square is equal to 800. L is equal to 800 by 2 is equal to 400. So L square minus 400 is equal to 0. By putting it the equation, don't forget ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We'll get ax1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 400. By using b square minus 4ac, by getting b square minus 4ac, 0 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 400 we will get equals to 1600. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, so there will have real roots and the rectangular mango tree can be designed. So L is plus or minus 20 and the value of length cannot be negative, so the breadth of the mango tree will be 20 meters. And the length of the mango tree will be 2 into 20, 40 meters. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I'll be back with another one. Till then, bye.